Okay, so after the last tutorial, you now have an idea of how to use the Arduino IDE, which is the environment in which we're going to code our microcontrollers. But if you want to work from home, you're going to need some software of your own. Luckily, Arduino is part of this open source movement where everything they have in terms of software is completely free. So where I've got you right now is at the arduino.cc website. And if we click on their software tab, you're going to see that you have two options here. One that I really like a lot is the Arduino Web Editor, because what it allows you to do is basically work on code from home. And then just like if you were in Google Docs, all of your work is saved in the cloud. So all you need to do now is log in from here, and no matter what machine you're working on, you're going to have access to your codes. So if you want the fuller, more robust version of the IDE, you can download it right here. Just select what machine you're working on from home. And again, it's completely free. There's no adware. It's all really good, clean downloads. So go ahead and select what you'd like to work on, and you could put that right on your home machine. But if you are looking for something that's a little bit more portable, you can take a look at this web editor here. So if we click Try Now, you're going to see that it boots me right into my personal account. So it's going to ask you to create your account first. It's a couple of really simple steps. But here is the web editor, and it has kind of a neat look to it, but it has a lot of the very familiar features that I showed you in the last tutorial. So we've got our compile button, we have our upload button. Here is where you would select your port and the board you're working on. Here is the editor that we had looked at. The console down here where you're going to get any debugging messages that you need. And then off to the left here, you're going to get a couple of different options. So you're not going to be saving any of these files locally, so your sketchbook will be right here, and all of these saved sketches or files that you've created will be accessible. You'll have example code so that when we're learning and we want to just read some of the code of others, it's right here and accessible. And one of the best features about working online is that all of the libraries that we'll want to incorporate into some of the sensor work we do later on are pre-installed. So we don't have to go fetch any from GitHub. We don't have to upload or download anything to our machines. It's all right here, ready to rock for us. And then if you want the serial monitor that I had shown you also, you're just going to click that here. I don't have anything connected at the moment, so it's not giving us a window into the serial port. But again, that's where it would be. And then preferences, one of the things that we had worked on in the first tutorial, is right over here on the left. So it has lots of the same features. It just takes a little bit of getting used to with respect to using the full-blown IDE on your computer or the cloud-based IDE. So if you're looking to have something to work on from home, here you go. And then we'll see you on our next hour of code after school. See you guys.